Hello and welcome to a video about extensions. So in this video we want to look at when do we want to use extensions. So what extensions are doing is they allow us to add functionality to existing types, right? So if we would have like a class or a struct, then we can add further methods to it with an extension. Now let me show you a simple example on where you want to use extensions. We have a number of type integer, and let's just say equal to 5. And what we want to do is we want to have this number squared. Right, so we just multiply it by itself, and if we run this, then you can see, of course, that this works. And it's perfectly fine if we would just use it for a single case. But what if we want to do it again and again? So let's say we want to have a lot of integers in our app squared. Suppose we would build some sort of math app. So then every time to calculate the squared number using this equation can create a lot of mess inside this code. And also we have to just write a lot. So it's not perfect. And this is just a great example on where to use extensions. Because if we extend integer and then we create a function squared, right, and we just return this equation, then with every other number we can square just by using this squared function, like so. So we can, from our integer object here, square it, and we can do it with every integer. So that way we are reusing code, and this just makes everything more cleaner. So before I finish this video, I want to show you a quick example where I use extensions for real production code. So what we have here, so this is Swift UI here, and we just have a simple view, as you can see here, which contains a rectangle. And the only thing is that this rectangle has a custom color which has the name app red. Right, and this custom color I have set in my assets. So clearly there's space for improvement, because, well, we could just easily mistype. This is a string that we are passing here. We have to remember every time how we spell it inside our assets. And, well, just suppose we have a lot of colors, right? So we can do better, and again, by using an extension. So we can just extend the color and have a static variable here, which we name appRed, and set it to exactly the color we want. So now every time we want to use the colors inside our assets, which we can of course set more of, we can just simply put in .appRed.